Hey, I'm Hasu with WTI and look how cool this clip-on selfie ring light is. This is a rechargeable portable clip-on selfie ring light with 36 LED for iPhone or any other Android smartphone. It's great for photography, for videos, and I have even done my makeup with this when I go on a trip. It is so easy to carry because of its compact size, and it has an on and off button. It has a small charging port and a built-in charging inductor light, which is going to tell you if it's charged or if it still needs more charging. The silicone gel that it comes with allows myself to protect my devices such as my phone or my computer screen. It comes with 3 white lightning modes: low, normal, and high. I have used it when we have blackouts or if a place is too dark that I can't really see what I'm doing. It gets super bright, and as you can see here, you have 1 mode, 2nd mode, 3rd mode, super bright, and it's just enough. Let me just clip it on my phone so that you can see how bright it looks. I love it. And if I turned it off, this is what I would look like. And let me turn off my ring light so that you guys can see the difference. This is how great the lightning is. So if you guys want to get something that can light up your days literally and can help you take the best selfies even at night, well, this clip-on selfie ring light has been so helpful. I am in love with it. It's really convenient, and that's my point of view.